In a lovely forest, where sunlight danced, a clever bird soared. She spotted something unusual among the branches. There sat a friend, forlorn and worried. His nest, once cozy, lay in rubble at his feet. "What troubles you?" she chirped softly. He looked up, eyes glistening with concern. "My home is gone," he sighed. "Where will I sleep tonight?" Inspiration struck. "You can stay with me," she exclaimed, fluttering with excitement. Together, they embarked on a mission. Each twig and leaf whispered of new beginnings. "A strong nest needs teamwork," she reminded, guiding him as they worked side by side. With care and laughter, a home emerged. It stood strong, a promise of comfort and joy. "Thank you," he chirped, heartful. "You were there when I needed you." "That's what friends do," she replied simply. Their bond shimmered like the sun overhead. With hearts light as feathers, they danced through the trees. Laughter echoed in the breeze. Day turned to night, but their friendship shone brighter than all the stars. Together, forever.